Hey, this is Josh from JNT Construction. We're following up with our project here on this large addition we've been building. We got all the electrical roughed in, some pocket doors installed, blocking for kitchen cabinets, and in the bathrooms for all of your toilet paper holders, your vanities and whatnot. And then the HVAC guy has started install, and my crew's working on doing some plumbing install as we speak. So let's take a look at everything we got going on. So over here in the kitchen area, we got our blocking installed. The lower blocking will serve to mount the cabinets to and the countertops. Then from here up, we started with our other blocking. This will hold your upper cabinets. This is to fasten the bottom and the top. The electrician got our wires run. These will actually serve for our under cabinet and above cabinet lighting in the future, along with all the outlets and switches and everything to go along in the kitchen. So over here, we have a little bit of a non-traditional install. We actually had a wall that was coming into the pocket door. So this is our pocket door frame that we installed. We'll have a pocket door slides into the pantry, but we had to add some extra blocking so we could allow for this doorway to separate this part of the house from this part. So since the last episode, we actually got the garage doors installed finally. They're installed and fully operational. We will eventually put openers on once we get all of our drywall work and continue on with the project. And then we got our panel box installed in the garage here for the feed for all the electrical. Down here in the basement, if you can see behind me, we actually have a separate panel box that will handle the hot water heater, the furnace, and the basement, along with running a sub-feed into the existing house to power up that panel box. Since the size of this project is so big, we're actually going to meter this project, and then we will use the new service to feed the old service on the house. We finished up our interior framing and got our exterior walls framed. The HVAC guy has started installing all of his flex duct and all of his duct work going through the main house, and he will get the furnace in. Me and my crew, we are working on putting the plumbing in for all the drain lines, and then we will get all the water lines run and get this house ready to get insulated.